Greetings vendors, join me on my adventure today for collecting from 3 machines I have at 2 mobile home parks. Enjoy the show. For more content, like and subscribe. Have a great day. Greetings everyone. Up first on our selection of machines for the day is going to be my Vendo V475. I have it at a mobile home park. This machine I did get for free, did work to it, put it back out into service. No sense in letting a good machine go to waste. First we're going to get the Coke loaded up. I did get everything into Vensoft. If you would like to give it a free 14-day trial, the link is down in the description. For more information on how I use it and how easy it is to use for anybody, check out my video in the upper right-hand corner right about now. First, we're going to get the Coke stocked up in this machine. I've had a slow start with this machine, but I'm going to give it faith. Time to get some Sprite loaded up in here. Big machine. This is my tallest machine I have. If you're interested in learning more how I repair them, check out more of my videos on my channel. With pool season upon us, this machine will be picking up in speed and sales. Gotta get Dr. Pepper in there. They do love it here and they go through a lot of it. If you're looking for more vending related content, check out Galaxy Games 843, Howard Hospitality Group, Xtreme Vending, and Quik Play. If you're looking to support another up and coming vendor, check out Mullberry Vending. She is doing very well. We want to get her up to 1,000 as soon as possible, so if you can, go ahead and give her channel a like. Dropping all that change in there. This machine did $52.75 for the week and only did $1.35 in credit cards. We'll go ahead and get on to the next machine. Here we are at another park. This one's out by a pool. They're getting it ready for the season at the time of the filming. Needs a little bit of work in there. We're going to go ahead and top off the Pepsi here. Yep, I can get one more can in there. Up next is the Mountain Dew. Now the Mountain Dew's all stuck up, we'll get some more. Get this box out of the way. On to the Dr. Pepper. Just realized I had to shift that to another machine that sells more. It happens. I just didn't have enough that week to cover everything. Now we'll get some Coke in there. Guess I don't really need some Coke. Oh, I'll give it a 12 pack and I'll put it over here on the storage side. Definitely gotta get some more Monster in here. Gonna put 10 cans in here for the week. Set the others on the shelf. Then we're gonna add some Sprite. I think that'll take the whole, what I have left in Sprite. Now we'll get onto the collection. Onto the coins. Try not to spill any. Give you a good coin waterfall there. Get the lucky quarter out, stick it back in the bucket. On to the cash. This machine did $66 for the week, so not too bad. On to the next machine. This is my mailroom machine. Gonna go ahead and get everything stocked up, get all the Dr. Pepper in there. This is definitely a busy machine, so I'll get it stocked up as well. getting my numbers adjusted in VenSoft because I couldn't see the back of the Dr. Pepper column, so I had to guess on what the number was. So I kept track as I loaded it. Getting the Coke all restocked. Coke's all restocked. I had a couple of the pre-cooled shelves onto the collection. Quite a bit of change there. Looking for the lucky quarter I usually keep in here. It's a green one. This machine collected $61.25 for the week, so not a bad collection between all the machines. For more vending related content, like and subscribe. Have a great day.